Good morning, guys. It's Miss Toy 734. I decided that I am going to go ahead and juice again today. And what I have here, I have 3 handfuls of the spinach and kale mix, baby spinach and kale mix that I have from my other video. And I actually had a mango in the refrigerator. I don't know how I missed that yesterday. And then I also have a cup of water in here so far. So I'm going to start with this first, and I need to get my top one there a little bit better than that. Oops, sorry guys, let me try this way. Alright, there we go. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it for a little bit. And this is not one of JJ Smith's recipes. This is just something I'm going to kind of throw together again today because I did not go to the grocery store yesterday. I'm going to throw in some blueberries and some of my mix over here that has pineapples, strawberries. I think it has mango in it too, and peach. Yesterday was okay. I ate 2 boiled eggs throughout the day with my juice. I ate some peanuts and I ate an apple. I'm out of apples, so I'm going to drink some of this, workout, and then I am going to go to the grocery store to get some more apples. But, you know, I woke up in the middle of the night and I was hungry, so I ate a peach, and, you know, that's it. So my appetite is still kind of waning a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and juice for today. So hang on, let me add some more in. Alright guys, so I put 1 cup of these whole blueberries. I love blueberries and they're pretty good for you. And I did 2 cups of this mixed fruit, and then I added 1 more cup of water. So this is what we have. And oops, I'm making all kinds of messes over here. I'll be right back.